Welcome, gamers! Today, we're diving into how to play workshop maps in CS2 using GeForce Now. Get ready for an exciting journey through cloud gaming. Counter-Strike 2, also known as CS2, is the latest addition to the iconic first-person shooter franchise. GeForce now allows you to play it on any device without needing a powerful gaming rig. To access workshop maps, first launch CS2 and navigate to the main menu. Click on Workshop to find various maps created by the community. Once you've chosen a map, click Subscribe to install it. GeForce Now will automatically retrieve all necessary files for you. After installation, return to the Workshop section and select your newly installed map. Click Play to jump straight into the action. Workshop maps often include unique features like custom game modes, new skins, and extended environments. Let's explore some of these neat tools. Want to play with friends? Simply invite them through the friends list in GeForce Now and join the same workshop session together. Don't forget to adjust your controls. Go to Settings in CS2 to configure your key bindings for the best experience while playing workshop maps. If you encounter issues like lag or crashes, try restarting GeForce Now or checking your internet connection. We're here to help you play smoothly. Connect with fellow players through community forums like Reddit or Discord. Discover new maps and share your favorites. Thanks for watching. Now that you're equipped with the knowledge, dive into CS2's workshop maps and unleash your creativity.